Good morning classes 9 and 10. In our last video class we discussed noun clause and its concept which are required for doing or solving noun clause, which is very much important for joining into a complex sentence with the help of noun clause. Now we are going to see so many applications of noun clauses and how can we solve different types of problem regarding noun clause. Let's watch the video and enjoy. I am writing some exercises. Exercises number 1. English is now the only popular means of communication. English is now the only popular means of communication. Okay, and number 2 sentence, we all know this. This is part 1 and part 2. We all know this. Okay, now we will have to make answer. Okay, now number 2, Mr. Mishra is a cool customer. Mr. Mishra is a cool customer. Okay, first sentence, and the second part is all admit this. All admit this. Now you have to make answer. Number 3, suppose he was absent at that time. He was absent at that time. Okay, number 1 sentence. Number 2, I know that. I know that. Okay, now make answer. Number 4, he is the chief of the old block. He is the chief of the old block. Okay, second part is this is admitted by all. This is admitted by all. Now make answer. Number 5, he is honest. He is honest. Okay, next sentence, it is known to all. Okay, suppose these exercises are there for you, then what will you do to solve them into noun clause? Suppose English is now the only popular means of communication. We all know. So therefore the answer is, or the syntax is, we know, we all know that. We all know that English is now the only popular means of communication. Okay, we all know that English is now the only popular means of communication. Number 2, Mr. Mishra is a cool customer. All admit. You can write in this way that that Mr. Mishra is a, it should be a subject to a verb, that Mr. Mishra is a cool customer, is admitted to all, is admitted to all. Or you can say all admit that, all admit that Mr. Mishra is a cool customer. Okay. Next, he was absent at that time, I know. Okay, that he was absent at that time. Okay, that he was absent at that time is known to me. Okay, or you can say I know that he was absent at that time. Okay. Next, he is the chief of the old block, this is admitted by all. All, it is admitted to all, you can write in this way, it is admitted by all that he is the chief of the old block. Okay. Next, he is honest, it is known to all. It is known to all that he is honest. It is known to all that he is honest. It is known to all that he is honest. Or you can say, in another way you can also solve this question, it is known that he is honest, is known to all. Okay, got my point? In this way you can solve the questions. Okay, I am also giving you more problems. Suppose he said something, okay, he said something, second part, he said something, it was true, okay. Next question, number 2. He did it. Second question, the second part, I know the reason. Okay. Next, number 3, he lives in a place. Okay, second part is I know the place. Okay. Next, number 4, The earth is round. The earth is round. Second part, scientists have proved it. Scientists have proved it. Okay. Next, number 5, part number 1. You have made no mistake. Okay. Number 2, I am sure of it. I am sure of it. Next, number 6, part number 1. He confessed. He confessed. Number 2, he is guilty. He is guilty. Number 7, she denied. Number 1. Number 2, she had written the letter. She had written the letter. Okay. Next, number 9, number 8, question number 1. It was unfortunate. It was unfortunate. Number 2 part, you were absent from the meeting. You were absent from the meeting. You were absent from the meeting. Now we will solve all these things. Okay. So notice it. He says something, it was true. What he said, it was true. Okay, you can write what he said, okay, was true. Okay, what he said was true. Clear? So this is the answer of this question. This is the noun clause of this sentence. If you join these two sentences, he said something, it was true, then the answer is what he said was true. Next, he did it. I know the reason. I know why he did it. I know. The answer is I know why he did it. That means I know the reason. Why means I know the reason why he did it. So I know why he did it. Next answer. Question is, he lives in a place. Suppose he lives in Bahrampur or Calcutta or Delhi or Mumbai, etc. He lives in a place. I know the place. So I know the place where he lives. Okay. I know where he lives. Okay. That means I know the place. Here where means I know the place. There the place here where is used instead of place. I know the place where he lives. Okay. You can write I know the place where he lives. So in case of noun clause, no need to write the place. Okay. No need to write the place. I know where he lives. Next, the earth is round. Scientists have proved it. Okay. Scientists have proved that the earth is round. Here the answer is scientists have proved that the earth is round. Okay, or you can say that the earth is round is proved by the scientist. Okay. Next, you have made no mistakes. I am sure that you have made no mistakes. So the answer is I am sure that you have made no mistakes. Okay. Next, he confessed he is guilty, তাহলে he confessed that he is guilty, তাহলে he confessed that he is guilty. Next, she denied that she had written the letter. She denied that she had written the letter. She denied that she had written the letter. Next, it was unfortunate you were absent from the meeting. Okay, it was unfortunate that you were absent from the meeting, or that you were absent from the meeting was unfortunate. You can write in this way, that you were absent from the meeting, that you were absent from the meeting was unfortunate. Okay, in this way you have to solve noun clauses. Now I am showing other implications. That means suppose noun clauses are given to you, then how will you split those sentences in order to make simple sentence again? Okay, now I am showing you a few examples for your betterment. Suppose he says that he knows your brother. Suppose he says that he knows your brother. Now split up. Okay, number 2, I fear that he will miss the train. I fear that he will miss the train. Okay, number 3, that he will quarrel with you. I have no doubt that he will quarrel with you, comma, I have no doubt. Number 4, suppose I expect that my son will get a prize. I expect that my son will get a prize. Clear? And number 5, suppose do you deny that you stole the watch? Do you deny that you stole the watch? Do you deny that you stole the watch? In that cases, then what will you do? Suppose split the complex sentence having noun clause. You see, all these I have written 5 sentences. These sentences based on noun clause. Now the teacher asked you, okay, split these sentences into 2 different sentences and show the noun clause or main clause. Suppose, what is the noun clause? Here the noun clause is he knows your brother. That he knows your brother. Here this is noun clause. Okay, and the main clause is he says so. He says so. This is main clause. This is main clause. Next, I fear that he will miss the train. I fear that he will miss the train. Now, what is the noun clause? He will that he will miss the train. So here the noun clause is that he will miss the train. Here the noun clause, and the main clause that he will main clause is I feared so. I feared so. That he will quarrel with you. That he will quarrel with you, I have no doubt. So main noun clause is that he will quarrel with you. So here the noun clause is that he will quarrel with you. Okay, and the main clause, here the main clause is I have no doubt about it. I have no doubt about it. Okay, next, I expect that my son will get a prize. Okay, I expect that my son will get a prize. My son will get a prize is the noun clause. My son will get a prize is the noun clause, and main clause is, what is the main clause? The main clause is my father hopes it. Okay, I expect it. I expect it. Next, noun clause, do you deny that you stole the watch? That is here key. The noun clause is you stole the watch. You stole the watch. It is noun clause, and the main clause is, you, do you deny it? Do you deny it? Okay, in this way you have to compose complex sentence by using more than one single sentence, and you will have to split up the complex sentence in order to make different simple sentence, and by showing the main clause as well as the noun clause or the subordinate clause, that is the noun clause. Okay, so I hope you will practice by using different exercises from different grammar books, and I think your concept will be clear very shortly, and more videos will come on different content on grammar. You will keep on watching my video classes. Thank you for joining me today, and I am sure that you will enjoy my video and you will understand definitely what I have taught you today. Thank you.